Good morning. Welcome to your June 8th math review video. So we're going to start with patterns. To start with 11 as your first term and then add 9. So I'm going to start by adding 10 and then just getting rid of 1 to get it back down to 9. So 11 plus 10 is 21. Minus 1 to make it 9 would be 20. The next one's pretty simple. 20 plus 9 just puts the 9 in the 1's place, 29. Then I'm going to go back. 29 plus 10 is 39. Minus 1 to get it back to 9 is 38. And then 38 plus 10 is 48. Minus 1 is 47. You might start to see a pattern here. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 0, which would be like a 10, 9, 8, 7, and so on. Go ahead and give yourself a star for this problem if you got all those terms correct. And then we'll move on to the 0 rule. So we have 200 times 30, and we have 400 times 60. So the 0 rule is however many zeros there are, you add them to the end. So 2 times 3 is 6. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 0. So you need 1, 2, 3. Add your comma. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma. 6,000. And then 4 times 6 is 24. 1, 2, 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma. So 200 times 30 is 6,000. And 400 times 60 is 24,000. You can get 1 star for each equation. That's up to 2 stars here. Next, we have fractions, and we're drawing some pi fractions today. Then we're trying to name the equivalent fractions. So on this one, it's split into 4, so I know the denominator is 4, and 2 of them are shaded in, so 2/4. And then on this pi fraction, it's split into 2, so my denominator is 2, and 1 piece is shaded in. So you'll look, it has the same amount shaded in, it's just broken into different pieces. Those are called equivalent fractions, which means they are equal. As you can see, they just look different. Go ahead and give yourself a star for each of these fractions. So 1 star for 2/4 and 1 star for 1/2. And then for the word problem, so he had 11 pieces of mail and 8 of them were junk. How many pieces of actual mail did he have? So for our equation, there's 11 total. We want to get rid of that 8 to find out how many were not junk. I'm going to count up 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 minus 8 is 3. So he had 3 pieces of actual mail. Make sure you have end punctuation, capital letter, and the answer in your sentence. You can get a star for that. And then you can get a star for the answer of 3. At the top of your page, draw your fraction bar. Your denominator, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, is 7. So there's 7 total stars you could have earned. You go ahead and count up how many you earned today. Nice job, and I'll see you tomorrow.